had an Easter egg hunt. Can you put the eggs in your basket? Here, buddy. Can you put the eggs in your basket, Oliver? Oh, yeah, those aren't eggs. Those are tennis balls. See those eggs over there, Oliver? Yeah, put it in your basket. Good job. I don't think you can on that phone, but I'm not sure.
Pick them up, Oliver. Try some more. Pick them up.
Yeah, they make music, don't they? Put it in your basket, buddy. Good job.
Come on, baby. Here, honey. Put them in the bag. Here, we'll put them in there, Oliver. Put them in your basket. Hurry. Oliver. Put them in your basket.
Good